Hey everyone, today I'm unlocking the power of AOMEI Backupper Professional, a tool that every IT professional needs in their toolkit. I know data management can be overwhelming, but with this software, it's a breeze. Let's dive in. First off, AOMEI Backupper Professional isn't just your average backup software. It offers comprehensive backup solutions, including system backup, disk backup, and file backup. So whether you're securing your entire system or just those crucial files, AOMEI has got you covered. Now, one of the standout features is its universal restore function. Imagine this. Your system crashes, but you can restore it to a completely different PC with different hardware. No more compatibility nightmares. And let's talk about cloning. AOMEI Backupper Professional allows you to clone your entire hard drive or just specific partitions. This is perfect for upgrading to an SSD without reinstalling your OS and applications. Time-saving and efficient, right? Another powerful feature is the schedule backup. You can set it and forget it. Schedule your backups daily, weekly, or monthly. Plus, it supports full, incremental, and differential backups. You're always protected against data loss no matter what. And for those who need that extra layer of security, AOMEI Backupper Professional provides backup encryption. You can password protect your backups, ensuring that your sensitive data remains confidential. The software also supports network and NAS backups. For IT pros managing multiple systems, this is a game changer. You can back up files from one network location to another seamlessly. Ease of use is another highlight. The intuitive interface makes it simple for anyone to navigate, whether you're a seasoned IT pro or a newcomer. Plus, the software comes with 24/7 technical support, so help is always just a click away. To sum it up, AOMEI Backupper Professional offers robust features that simplify data management and protection. With its versatile backup options, universal restore, cloning capabilities, and user-friendly interface, you'll have peace of mind knowing your data is secure. So why wait? Unlock the power of AOMEI Backupper Professional today and take control of your data like never before. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.